Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, well, hello. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, my name is Onyinye and I'm a Lagos-based content creator. Great, so today's video we have some hair talk. Okay, the hair is given, so I'm going to be walking you guys through how I achieved this look. So this is like a ponytail. Okay, it's a drawstring ponytail. Put my hair up to the back. Normally I would do a low ponytail, like that's the kind of person I am. I just love to do low ponytails, but I decided to do something different this time. I also have two bangs to the front. I've been seeing this hairstyle really trending online. Like people are now doing ponytail with like the bangs to the front. So I'm like, okay, let me try this, let me try this, let me try it. And of course, I made a whole tutorial for you guys to see. This particular video took me over a day to make. One day for the ponytail, another day for me to like get my hair together. Great. So I really hope you find this video helpful. This video is sponsored by Lush Hair, and I used the Kinky Hair Royale, okay, from Lush Hair to create this look. So this is what the hair pack looks like. I absolutely love this. And guys, I ended up using just two bundles here. Okay, so there are three in a pack. I ended up using two. If I was gonna do like half up and leave some, sew in some at the back of my hair, I would use like the whole pack. But for me, one pack, like this is value for your money, and the texture is really good. Okay, I experienced little or no tangling with this. Okay, and I like the length too. It's quite a length, is just by the side of my boobs here. So I absolutely love it. I feel like this is such an affordable way to slay your hair. Okay, so most of the things that I use are things around you, very affordable, that you can get in like a local hair salon, hair supermarket, like a store. You can buy it. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the tutorial how I achieved this hair. I'm so proud of myself. Like I didn't think it would come out this nice, but I'm very impressed with how it came out. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. Okay. So let's go over what you need. You need the pack of hair. This is the Kinky Royale from Lush Hair. It just comes in 3 bundles, super straight bundles. Okay, you would also need some thread. You would need T-pin. You're gonna need a needle. Yeah, that's a needle. You're gonna need a wig head. Mine is in the size 22 inches. Eco Styler gel, black gel, bonding glue. That's hair mousse, edge control, and the nets for the ponytail. So I'm going to secure the ponytail cap to the wig head. So I'm just going to use the T-pin to secure it. This is going to help you a lot with sewing it. So make sure you put it maybe at least 4 or 5 places. Now I'm opening up the bundle. So just how your normal weaves come, you want to brush as you open up, just so it's smoother for you. So this is like a full length what it looks like. So I'm going to fold it into 2 here, and this is what the full length looks like. Now I'm going to secure the bundle to the wig cap and then the wig head. So this is going to help me a lot with sewing, ensure that I'm on track, because I'm not an expert when it comes to sewing. So I'm going to secure it. I secured it in 4 places in total. Yes, and we are going to begin sewing. So for sewing, you literally just take just like how you sew like your clothes, I just take it underneath through the wefts, and then under the wig cap, take it through about 2 holes on the wig cap, 2 or 3 holes, and then I wrap it around the needle and then I pull out. That's how I sew. I'm just gonna keep on doing this till I go round. You want to remove the T-pins when you get to the point where you've secured it and you want to sew on it. So you simply just take out the T-pin there. So keep on going round with it. The same procedure for the top part as well. So this is a closer look. So I've taken it through the weft. Now I'm taking it to 2 to 3 holes, and I wrap the thread around the needle and then I pull through. This is to help it be very secure. Once you're done going round, you want to start going in steps. So use your T-pin to secure it. This is very good if you're not a pro with sewing and you want it to be neat. Then same procedure that I did before, just keep on sewing. Ensure that it's tight at every spot by wrapping the thread around the needle. That way you're not going to be bothered if your wig is going to loosen during the process or when you're wearing it on your head, because you're sure that it is going to be secure. So when you get to the end of each layer, you want to tighten it the more. Now go up another layer. Okay, so this is what one bundle did for me. I think I'm like halfway through at this point, but this is what a full bundle looks like. Now we are back at it, so just going in and sewing the new bundle. Once you get to a layer, of course, use your T-pin, secure it, then you can start sewing. So just keep on going with it. It's very easy to do. After a while it gets easier, to be honest. Now once you get to the end, what I do is I wrap the thread round the needle a couple of times. Let's say like 2-3 times, and then I pull through and I repeat it till it's firm enough. Now we are done. So I'm going to cut off the remaining thread and also the remaining hair. So I'm just going to use a simple razor to cut it off. So I almost used exactly 2 bundles. The hair that I'm cutting off, I'm still going to use it, so it's not a waste. I'm still going to use it. Yeah, so I'm just going to remove the T-pins here and then put the hair to the back. This is literally the tutorial. It's really easy. It did take me a couple of hours to do, to be honest. It's not as quick as it looks in this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb through. You want to comb through very well because there are some hair strands that got into like the sewing, so you want to pull it out so that you don't have tangling when you put the ponytail on your head. So you just want to comb through quite well. So this is the full length of the ponytail. It's quite full, I would say. I love, you know, how little went a long way. If you don't want yours to be this full, you can easily just space out your bundles and then you'll be using less hair. So I'm going to take it off my wig cap so I can show you the full beauty of it. It is amazing. So you can see that it has a drawstring, so I just have to pull it together when I want to put it on my hair. Yeah. Now we are day 2 of this tutorial. Time to get the hair done. My hair is a mess, and P.S. I don't have a lot of front hair, but we move. So I'm going to section the front part of my hair. Just this is going to be the parts that would be the base, the bangs in front. So I'm going to just put that aside, weave it and tuck it underneath. Now I'm going to pack my hair with a simple black hair packer just to get all of my hair together as much as I can get. I'm going in with Eco Styler gel. My glasses is on because I literally could not see when I started this thing, so I had to like put it on. Yes, so I'm just going to use the gel and comb through. Some people use a brush. I prefer to use this particular comb. I feel like it gets the product into the hair and does a better job when it comes to the grip. So I'm going round. This is me doing the back of my hair. So just put the gel and then comb it through and then press it down with my hair. Going in with black gel. This is totally optional. My hair is not black and the extensions are black, so I want it to match. So that's why I'm going in with the black gel. I dyed my hair. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm going to let it pop up on the screen so you can see how I dyed my hair at home, or at least how my sister did it. Yes, I'm just going in with the black gel to make the hair look more uniform. And also the black gel has a very good grip. Trust me, it does a better job than Eco Styler gel. So now I'm going to pack my hair again, but this time I'm going to make it tighter than the first time to secure, you know, what was not secured the first time I packed my hair. Yes, so this is the look. I look so weird. I look like a rhino with that thing in front. So I'm going to comb the ponytail again just to make sure everything is together. Off camera, I added this comb that comes with wigs. I got it from one of my old wigs and I just decided to sew it on to help with the ponytail be more secure. So I'm going to fix it in, pull the drawstring very firmly, okay, so it doesn't come off. All right, and I'm just going to take it over. Yep, and we have secured our ponytail. This is literally so easy to do. I mean, it's going to save me a lot of time in the morning. So this is how the ponytail looks. I actually like how it looks this way. It's super simple, and I'm going to take that drawstring because it was hanging at the back of my head and I didn't like that. I'm going to wrap it round wrap it around and just find a way to tuck it underneath so it's neat. Now to finish up the ponytail, I'm going to take a section out of the ponytail. I'm going to use my got2b glue to spray it. So I'm going to spray on the hair, so this is going to make it more secure when I wrap it around. So I'm going to wrap it around. You want to wrap it around quite tight. You want to also make sure that it's neat, so if you need to comb again, you might have to take up your comb and comb at intervals. But what I was doing was that when I take it round, I would spray again with my glue and wrap again. So I kept on doing that until I got to the end of the hair. So you want to just spray, take it round, spray, take it round. An alternative would be to use bobby pins, but I didn't feel like that would do the job. Yeah, so once I was done with it, I decided to spray on the whole thing just to make sure that whole part is firm and secure. This is optional. I liked how the ponytail looked before wrapping it around. This is just, you know, giving it some extra neatness to me. Now let's get to the bangs in front. I'm going to take out the hair that I packed up, and then I am going to comb through, and then I'm going to section it. So just the way I section it there. Now I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. So the thing is, the hair I'm going to be using is very black. My hair has like brown highlights and it won't really blend with the hair well, so I'm just going to use some eyeshadow. I would have used mascara, but I felt like that would make my hair very hard, so I decided to use eyeshadow. And I think, you know, just to basically tint the brown parts black. You can see the little difference there. Now I'm going to take the weft, I'm going to fold it into two. I want it to have a little bit of thickness, and I'm going to go in with the glue. Going to put some glue on it. I'm going to glue it together, then put some glue to glue it on my hair. So I'm going to place this literally on my scalp. I wasn't even sure if I was doing the right thing at this point, but it stayed, so I think that's the right thing to do. So I'm going to put my hair over that, and I'm going to do that to the second side. You want to make sure that the top section has more hair than the bottom section. Yes, so this is literally how to do the bangs. Now to make my hair flat, I'm going to go in with some hair wax. I use this for my wigs, but I'm going to be using it on my hair today. So I'm going to take it, just put it on my hair top and bottom, and I'm going to go in with my straightener just to straighten my hair to the weave. So I'm going to go in. You don't want to put your straightener on very high heat. The hair is not human hair. If it's human hair, please, you know, knock yourself out. So this is the complete look. I am impressed. I had a little issue blending my hair with the extensions in front, but with some hair mousse it became better after a while. Yeah. All right guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. The feel is so great. This hair I 100% recommend. It's lightweight too, okay, and even when I use the straightener, it's not as if it fried. I didn't use straightener like on very high heat, but it was still able to like hold some heat for me to straighten my hair to the weave there. So this is super good. I can easily take it off at night, and then the following morning all I'll have to do is go in with some got2b when I'm trying to secure it, or I can secure it using bobby pins. I don't have bobby pins with me, so I decided to use glue here, but I feel like another day I can decide to use bobby pins if I'm just, you know, trying to rush and leave the house. Yeah, so this is a very nice and affordable slay. So I use the Kinky Royale hair from Lush hair, and this is so amazing. Like, I know that they do like extensions for braids really well, and also like crochet, but this weave, like, it's actually giving. And this also comes in other colors. I know it comes in gray, and I know it comes in like color 30, 27, like brown. Yes, so if you have like colored hair, or you want to try something like different from the color of your hair, then you can decide to try out, you know, this same extension but in a different color. Great. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you're going to be trying out this tutorial. Let me know if you did. Okay, I don't even mind you guys spamming me with your pictures, maybe on Instagram, when you try out this particular tutorial. Guys, this slay is so affordable. I feel like I would have spent so much money if I did this in like a salon, but you know, I did this at home. Simply just, you know, walk down the street, got a pack of the hair, and you know, got a couple of beauty tool supplies that some I had before, some I had to get just to put this look together, but I did not go overboard. Okay, so if you're looking for how to quickly fix your hair for a wedding, an event, or you just want to look good to work or to school, guys, this is an affordable way to do that. Okay, hope you guys found this helpful. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.